Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily get back the missing calculator on Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is go to the search and write in a search Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store, and when you're gonna be here, you just want to write here Microsoft Calculator. Sorry, Windows Calculator. Open the Windows Calculator and then just turn it on. And you can download it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.